Most people assume weak legs are just part of getting older. But what if that's not true? Welcome to Prime Health Lab, the channel dedicated to helping you live stronger, healthier, and more energized after 60. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a video that could genuinely change how you feel every single day. Today we're diving into something that affects millions of seniors worldwide. That heavy, tired, unsteady feeling in the legs, the difficulty climbing stairs, the aching knees, the fear of losing balance. And we're going to look at what a well-respected Japanese doctor has shared about 3 specific vitamins that may be the missing link between where your legs are today and where they could be in just a few weeks. These aren't miracle cures. They're backed by science, used in clinical settings, and more importantly, they're simple. Let's get into it. Let's start with the most important one. And honestly, if you take nothing else away from this video, remember this. Vitamin D3 may be the single most overlooked reason why seniors experience weak, painful, or unsteady legs. Here's something most people don't realize. Vitamin D is not just a vitamin. Your body actually treats it more like a hormone. It sends signals to your muscles, your bones, and even your nervous system. And when those signals are weak, because your vitamin D levels are low, your body simply cannot maintain the muscle strength and coordination it once had. Now, why does this matter more after 60? Because as we age, our skin becomes less efficient at converting sunlight into vitamin D. At the same time, many seniors spend less time outdoors, especially in colder months. And on top of that, the kidneys, which help activate vitamin D in the body, slow down with age. So even if you think you're getting enough sun, there's a very real chance your body isn't absorbing or using vitamin D the way it used to. Japanese researchers and doctors have paid very close attention to this. In Japan, where longevity is deeply studied, clinical observations have consistently shown that seniors with adequate vitamin D3 levels report better balance, stronger leg muscles, and a significantly lower risk of falls. Falls, by the way, are one of the leading causes of serious injury in people over 60, and vitamin D plays a direct role in preventing them. So what does low vitamin D actually feel like in the legs? You might notice a general heaviness, like your legs are working twice as hard just to carry you from one room to another. Some people describe a dull ache in the thighs or calves that never fully goes away. Others notice their legs feel unreliable, like they might give out if they move too quickly. These aren't just signs of aging. These are signs your muscles are not getting the support they need at the cellular level. Here's the simple science behind it. Every single muscle fiber in your body has receptors specifically designed to receive vitamin D. When those receptors are activated, your muscle cells produce energy more efficiently. They contract and relax properly, and they recover faster after activity. When vitamin D is low, those receptors sit idle. Your muscles become sluggish, inflamed, and weak, not because they've given up, but because they're not receiving the right signals. The good news is that this is correctable. Vitamin D3, specifically D3, not D2, is the form your body uses most effectively. Many doctors recommend seniors aim for levels between 40 and 60 nanograms per milliliter in the blood. And while sunlight is the most natural source, supplementing with D3, ideally taken with a meal that contains some healthy fat for better absorption, is one of the most practical steps you can take. One more thing worth mentioning here. Vitamin D3 works even better when paired with vitamin K2. K2 helps direct calcium to your bones rather than your arteries, making the combination not just good for your legs, but for your heart and bone density as well. Something to discuss with your doctor when you get your levels checked. Your legs have carried you your entire life. Giving them the right foundation, starting with D3, may be one of the most powerful things you can do right now. Now that we've talked about the foundation your muscles need, let's go a little deeper. Because strong legs aren't just about muscle. They're about communication. The ability of your brain to send a clear, fast signal all the way down to your feet. and for your feet to respond instantly and reliably. And that's where vitamin B12 comes in. Think of your nervous system like a vast electrical wiring system running through your entire body. Every time you take a step, your brain sends a signal through that wiring, down your spine, through your hips, along your legs, all the way to your toes. When that wiring is healthy and well insulated, those signals travel quickly and accurately. You move with confidence. You feel steady. Your legs respond the way you expect them to. But when vitamin B12 is low, that insulation begins to break down. The technical name for it is myelin, a protective coating that wraps around your nerve fibers. And without enough B12, myelin thins out. Signals get delayed, distorted, or sometimes don't arrive at all. The result? Legs that feel numb or tingly. A strange weakness that isn't quite pain but isn't right either. That unsettling sensation of not fully trusting your own footing. This is not a small problem, and it's far more common in seniors than most people realize. After 60, the stomach produces less of something called intrinsic factor, a protein your body needs to absorb, B12 from food. This means that even if you're eating B12-rich foods like meat, eggs, and dairy, your body may only be absorbing a fraction of what it needs. Certain medications commonly prescribed to seniors, including metformin for blood sugar and proton pump inhibitors for acid reflux, are also known to reduce B12 absorption further. So the deck, in many ways, is stacked against seniors when it comes to maintaining healthy B12 levels. Japanese medical practice has long emphasized B12 as a frontline nutrient for nerve health in aging patients. In many clinics across Japan, seniors presenting with leg weakness, numbness, or coordination issues are routinely tested for B12 deficiency before any other intervention is considered, and the results speak for themselves. A significant number of those patients improve noticeably simply by restoring their B12 levels to a healthy range. What makes B12 particularly interesting is how it affects not just physical movement, but also confidence in movement. Many seniors who have experienced tingling or numbness in their legs begin to walk more cautiously, taking smaller steps, holding onto walls, avoiding uneven surfaces. Over time, this caution can quietly reduce activity levels, weaken the legs further, and create a cycle that becomes harder to break. Restoring B12 doesn't just improve the nerves. It can restore the trust seniors have in their own bodies. There's also a connection between B12 and energy that deserves mention here. B12 plays a critical role in the production of red blood cells, the cells that carry oxygen to every part of your body, including your leg muscles. When B12 is low, red blood cell production suffers. Muscles receive less oxygen, and the result is that familiar feeling of heaviness and fatigue after even short walks, the kind that makes people think they're simply too old to be active. In many cases, they're not too old. They're just underfueled. When it comes to supplementing B12, the form matters. Methylcobalamin is the form most readily used by the body and is particularly effective for nerve health. It absorbs well under the tongue, what's called sublingual absorption, which bypasses the digestive system entirely and gets directly into the bloodstream. This is especially useful for seniors whose stomach absorption is compromised. Foods rich in B12 include salmon, sardines, beef liver, eggs, and fortified cereals. But for many seniors, food sources alone may not be enough, and a good quality supplement, ideally discussed with a healthcare provider, can make a meaningful difference. Your legs need more than just strong muscles. They need a clear, well-functioning line of communication from your brain to your body. Vitamin B12 is the nutrient that keeps that line open, sharp, reliable, and working the way it should. We've talked about the foundation your muscles need with D3, and the nerve communication your legs depend on with B12. Now we come to the third vitamin, and in many ways, the most quietly powerful of all, This one works behind the scenes. You rarely hear about it in mainstream conversations, but without it, everything else struggles to function properly. We're talking about magnesium. Magnesium is technically a mineral, but it behaves in the body much like a master coordinator. It is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions. In the human body, 300. That number alone should tell you how essential this nutrient is. And yet studies consistently show that a large percentage of seniors are not getting nearly enough of it, either through diet or supplementation. So what does magnesium actually do for your legs specifically? Let's break it down in a way that's easy to picture. Every time your leg muscles contract, whether you're standing up from a chair, walking to the kitchen, or climbing a single step, that contraction requires a precise sequence of chemical signals. Calcium rushes into the muscle cell and triggers the contraction. Then magnesium steps in and signals the muscle to relax. Without enough magnesium, that relaxation signal is weak or delayed. The muscle stays partially contracted. It becomes tight, stiff, and prone to cramping. This is why nighttime leg cramps, that sudden, sharp, agonizing tightening in the calf that wakes you from a deep sleep, are so commonly linked to low magnesium levels. But it goes beyond cramps. Chronically low magnesium means your muscles are always working harder than they need to. They never fully recover between uses. They fatigue faster, they feel heavier, and over time, this constant low-level tension contributes to that deep, persistent ache in the legs that many seniors simply accept as normal. It is not normal. It is often correctable. Japanese longevity research has shown particular interest in magnesium for aging populations. In regions of Japan known for exceptional health and long life, diets tend to be naturally rich in magnesium. Through foods like seaweed, tofu, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. Researchers have noted that seniors in these regions not only maintain better leg strength and mobility into their later years, but also report fewer sleep disturbances, lower levels of anxiety, and better overall cardiovascular health. Magnesium, it turns out, is a common thread running through all of these benefits. Let's talk about the sleep connection for a moment, because this matters more than most people realize when it comes to leg strength. Magnesium activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the part of your nervous system responsible for rest, recovery, and repair. When magnesium levels are adequate, your body enters deep sleep more easily and stays there longer. And it is during deep sleep that your muscles repair themselves, that growth hormone is released, and that your legs literally rebuild and strengthen from the activity of the day. Poor sleep doesn't just make you tired, it directly undermines the strength and recovery of your legs, night after night. There is also a powerful connection between magnesium and inflammation. Chronic low-grade inflammation in the joints and muscles is one of the primary reasons seniors experience persistent leg pain and stiffness. Magnesium helps regulate the body's inflammatory response, keeping it from becoming excessive and damaging. Think of it as a natural, gentle dial that keeps inflammation from running too hot. When it comes to choosing a magnesium supplement, the form makes a real difference. Magnesium glycinate is widely considered the best option for seniors. It is gentle on the stomach, absorbs well, and has a calming effect that supports better sleep. Magnesium citrate is another good option, particularly for those who also struggle with digestion. Avoid magnesium oxide. It is the cheapest and most common form found in low-quality supplements, but it absorbs poorly and offers minimal benefit. Food sources of magnesium include dark leafy greens like spinach, pumpkin seeds, almonds, black beans, avocado, and dark chocolate. A varied whole food diet goes a long way, but again, for many seniors, supplementation can fill the gap that diet alone cannot. Here is what makes magnesium especially remarkable in the context of this video. Remember vitamin D3 from section 1? Magnesium is actually required to activate vitamin D in the body. Without sufficient magnesium, your D3 supplement may not convert into its active form, meaning you could be taking D3 faithfully every day and still not getting its full benefit. These three nutrients, D3, B12, and magnesium, are not just individually powerful. Together, they form a system. Each one supports and amplifies the others. Your legs are not failing you. They are asking for what they need. If there is one thing to take away from everything shared today, let it be this. Weakness in the legs after 60 is not a sentence. It is often a signal that your body is missing something it needs to do its job properly. Vitamin D3 to build the muscular foundation. Vitamin B12 to keep the nerve communication sharp and reliable. And magnesium to allow your muscles to relax, recover, and rebuild the way they were designed to. Before starting any new supplement, always have a conversation with your doctor, especially if you are on medications. A simple blood test can tell you where your levels actually stand, and that information is genuinely valuable. If this video gave you something useful today, please give it a thumbs up. It helps more seniors find this content when they need it most. Share it with someone you care about. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Prime Health Lab, because every week we bring you clear, practical, science-informed content designed to help you feel stronger, sharper, and more confident in your body at every age. You've got more strength left in you than you think. We'll see you in the next one.
Prime Health Lab is dedicated to men's internal health. Don't forget to like